Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful rose earrings. It's very easy to make and you can see how beautiful it is. To make this, I am using crochet thread number 8, shaded pink, shaded green, crochet hook 0.5 mm, fabric glue, studs, sewing needle, pearl beads 8 mm, head pins, seed beads, earrings topper, jump rings, nose plier and starch. For rose, first leave few inches thread and make a slip knot. Now make 38 chains. Next, 5th chain from the hook, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet, skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same till last chain and make 12 V-shaped stitches. Next, chain 1 and turn. Now 1 single crochet and 5 double crochet in the first space. One single crochet in next stitch. Repeat the same for 2 more times and make 3 small petals. Next, 7 double crochet in the V-shaped space and 1 single crochet in next stitch. Repeat the same for 3 more times and make 4 medium petals. Next, 9 double crochet in V-shaped space and 1 single crochet in the next. Repeat the same for 4 more times and make 5 large petals. Now chain 1 and fasten off. For leaf and back, make a magic ring. Now make chain 2 and 10 half double crochet into magic ring. Pull the thread and close the ring and make a slip stitch. Next, chain 2 and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Now 2 half double crochet in next stitch. Repeat 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet for 5 times and make 15 stitches and slip stitch. Now make 11 chain. Next, slip stitch to the second chain and continue 1 single crochet, half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, again 1 triple crochet, one double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. Now turn the circle back and slip stitch in the circle. Now crochet 10 chains and slip stitch to the second chain from the hook. Continue single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet for 2 times, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch into the circle. Make one more leaf with the same pattern. Now fasten off. I am using hair straightener to flatten the petals and leaves. Now sewing. Roll the petals and shape it like a rose and sew it. Next, apply starch on backside of leaf and flower and let it dry. Beautiful rose earring is ready now. If you like my video, then hit the like, share with your friends and subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, stay happy and take care.